Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm going to walk from Amoy Street Food Center to Chinatown Point. Let's go. The time now is about 6:20 p.m. on the weekday. Look at the colorful shop houses. We wonder if anyone stay upstairs, right? So some of the windows they are open and some of them are not. They're full of pubs here and restaurants and pizzas. The locals and Amoy like to come here. So many cars parked on both sides of the street. Wow. I'm going to Chinatown to experience the Chinese New Year vibes and maybe get some stuff. I've been to Chinatown at least 3 times the past 2 weeks, man. It's just so appealing with all the decorations and stuff. Let's check our directions. In front I see another temple, on the right side. It's a nice car, by the way. Oh. Wow, look at the murals, man. I wonder how come there are seats outside along the road. I think for the guests for the 7th month. But 7th month is not yet. I mean, it's still a few months away, right? I think it's for security, man. Munta Street is on the right side. Lots of Amoy here at the bar. They come in after work. Very colorful walk. So after walking to the end of the street, it's Amoy Street. You're gonna turn left now, and it should be loud. Less than 250 meters when we reach the Chinatown Point, man. And now at the trend, there's a lot of chickens on the grass field. Hello, chicken. Wow, this street here called Crab Street very atas. You see, because there are a lot of crabs inside for crabbing and stuff. I think there are some pubs here. And we reached the M Icon Hotel Singapore City Center, which is also very atas. There's a restaurant called Table de MMA. MMA seems like those fighting clubs, right? Anyway, enjoy the walk. I'm just happy it doesn't rain, I mean, because the weather there, red clouds. Those of you who are viewing this, you're not from Singapore, just don't be surprised, because in Singapore the motorbikes, the number of motorbikes is really less than the number of people who own a car. And the people who own the number of cars is even lesser than the number of people who take public transport, be it the bus, MRT, LRT, or the metro, nice money changer. This is a Mercury Hotel. I think atas, it looks 5-star. Wow, we're going to reach Chinatown in a short while. South Bridge Road is around the corner. I saw Honing Complex already. Alright, we're entering the zone of Chinatown, Cross Street, South Bridge Road. Kenko Massage Reflexology Spa open until 10:30 p.m. Sometimes we do video a lot, right? Let me stammer a little bit because our tongue get tight or don't drink enough water. Chinatown decorations are up already. So nice. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this walking tour from the Amoy Street Food Center to this Chinatown. I'm going to explore Chinatown in a short while. Oh, down or something. So stay tuned to the channel. Alright, take care, bye. Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at Chinatown to take a look what have I missed out in the last few sessions. It's impossible to cover everything. This is the South Beach Road area. There's a Suqing inspection site, you know. It's really terrible because of the Second World War last time. The Japanese caused those 18 to 50 years old Chinese male and executed them. So we are reaching Chinatown MRT in front. Beer Park Center. Oh, there's a fitness shop. 24-hour fitness gym here. For anytime fitness. On the left side, there are a lot of restaurants and even a hostel.